Fuel tax evasion is a costly problem in the United States. In an effort to reduce the loss, the Federal Highway Administration's Exploratory Advanced Research Program funded Oak Ridge National Laboratory to conduct a project resulting in a fuel auditing and tracking system. Although difficult to measure, current data estimates that the problem accounts for $1 to $3 billion in lost tax revenue annually for federal and state governments. This lost revenue translates to less money available to build and maintain U.S. transportation infrastructure. One common scheme for this type of tax fraud occurs when fuel is reportedly dropped in a state with a low tax rate, but is actually delivered in a state with a higher tax, and the discrepancy goes unreported. Another scheme involves mixing non-taxed fuel meant for off-road or aviation use with higher taxed fuel, thereby increasing the volume of fuel available for sale while only paying a fraction of due taxes. In an effort to minimize this problem, the Federal Highway Administration's partnership with Oak Ridge National Laboratory has resulted in a system that focuses on tracking fuel during truck-borne delivery. This system, called the Fuel Auditing and Tracking System, or FATS, provides a proactive capability to identify fuel tax evaders using tanker truck sensors, GPS location data, and custom-built software to warn of potential breaches in conduct along a route. Sensors mounted on the tanker's hatch and valve openings monitor and capture actuations, while feeding into a telematics device in the cab that tracks the movement of the fuel shipment. The driver of each load is required to declare destinations for all shipments and enter it into the in-cab device prior to beginning the delivery route. Armed with all of this data, the ORNL-developed software determines if hatches or valves are opened in locations that do not match the intended destinations or authorized repair facilities. Potential breaches result in warnings recorded on the device that notify the carrier and auditors. This integrated fuel auditing and tracking system makes fuel movements transparent for auditors and carriers by not only detecting tax evasion situations, but also by detecting potential fuel theft or tampering. This system can minimize the revenue lost from fuel tax evasion to ensure that there are funds available to build and maintain our country's transportation infrastructure.